Introduction. Welcome to a life-changing experience designed to rewire your subconscious mind for greatness. Today, we are deep diving into the core of your power with building unshakable confidence. This isn't just another video. It is a digital sanctuary for your ambition and a blueprint for your evolution. True confidence is the foundation upon which every empire is built, every health goal is achieved, and every relationship flourishes. When you move with certainty, the world moves out of your way. As you engage with these high-frequency affirmations and visualizations, you are participating in a sacred morning discipline. You are shifting from a state of hoping to a state of knowing. This presentation is engineered to help you manifest wealth, health, and happiness by aligning your inner dialogue with your highest vision. If you are ready to stop playing small and start claiming the abundance that is rightfully yours, you are in the right place. Hit subscribe and tap the thumbs up if you love this type of content. Your engagement helps us bring this daily motivation to more souls ready for transformation. Prepare your mind, settle into your power, and let's begin this journey toward your most confident self. Section 1. The foundation of identity. I am the architect of my reality, and today I choose to build on the bedrock of unshakable self-belief. I am a person of immense value, and I recognize that my confidence is a gift I give to myself. I am no longer defined by my past mistakes or the opinions of others. I am a masterpiece in progress, evolving with every breath I take. I am worthy of the success I seek. I am capable of handling any challenge that comes my way. I am centered, grounded, and fully present in this moment. I am radiating a frequency of certainty that commands respect and attracts opportunity. I am becoming the version of myself that I have always admired. Now speak your future into existence by saying this aloud. I am confident. I am worthy. I am unstoppable. My voice has power, and my presence has impact. I am standing tall in my truth today and every day. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes and imagine yourself standing on the edge of a vast, calm ocean. The sun is rising, hitting your face with warmth. Feel the solid ground beneath your feet. This is your foundation. See yourself standing tall, shoulders back, chin up. Imagine a golden light emanating from your chest, expanding with every heartbeat. This light represents your core identity. Nothing can dim this light. Watch as it pushes away any fog of doubt or shadows of fear. You are radiant. You are steady. You are home within yourself. The Decisive Warrior. I am a person of action. I am decisive in my choices because I trust my intuition and my intellect. I no longer suffer from the paralysis of analysis. I am bold enough to make a move, knowing that even a mistake is simply data for my future success. I am clear about my path. I am assertive in my communication. I am the one who takes the lead in my own life. I am decisive because I know that my time is my most precious asset. I am cutting through hesitation like a blade through silk. I am firm in my boundaries and clear in my intentions. I am the captain of my ship, and I steer it with a steady hand. Now speak your future into existence by saying this aloud. I am decisive. I am bold. I act without hesitation. I trust my judgment, and I move forward with absolute clarity and resolve. See yourself in a high-stakes environment, perhaps a boardroom, a stage, or a critical life crossroads. Notice the silence of the room as everyone looks to you. You feel a cool, calm energy flowing through your veins. There is no panic, only precision. You see the solution clearly. You speak your truth with a voice that does not shake. See yourself taking that first step toward a major goal. The moment your foot touches the ground, the path illuminates. You are moving with purpose. You are the embodiment of forward motion. The magnetism of wealth. I am a money magnet because of my confidence and discipline. I am a person who manages resources with excellence. I am motivated to save, invest, and grow my empire because I value my future. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. I am confident in my ability to generate value that the world is eager to reward. I am disciplined in my spending and aggressive in my growth. I am open to new streams of income. I am worthy of high-level financial freedom. I am using my wealth to build a life of contribution and joy. I am a steward of prosperity, and money flows to me in increasing quantities every single day. Now speak your future into existence by saying this aloud. I am wealthy. I am disciplined. I am a magnet for financial miracles. My confidence creates currency, and my discipline sustains my freedom. Visualize your bank account balance growing. Don't just see the numbers. Feel the peace that comes with financial security. Imagine yourself walking into a space of luxury that you have created. Feel the fabric of high-quality clothing, the smell of a clean, beautiful home, and the weight of your wallet. See yourself writing a large check to a cause you love. You have more than enough. You are a conduit for wealth. See money as a tool that obeys your commands. You are in control. The fearless visionary. I have a positive in my actions without fear. I am acting on my vision of wealth, health, and happiness with total conviction. I am looking at my fears and seeing them as illusions. I am moving through discomfort because I know that is where my growth resides. I am a visionary who sees the end result before it manifests. I am undeterred by temporary setbacks. I am fueled by the grandiosity of my dreams. I am brave enough to be misunderstood. I am courageous enough to be first. I am acting as if it is impossible to fail, and because of that belief, I am creating a new reality. Now speak your future into existence by saying this aloud. I am fearless. I am a visionary. I act on my dreams now. I am moving toward my greatness with eyes wide open and a heart full of courage. Picture your biggest, most impossible dream. See it as if it has already happened. You are looking back at the journey from the finish line. Look at the obstacles you passed. From this height, they look like small pebbles. Feel the adrenaline of achievement. See the people you have inspired by your refusal to back down. You are standing on a mountain peak of your own making. The air is crisp, and the view is infinite. This is your vision realized. The Temple of Health. I am disciplined in my physical well-being. I am treating my body like the temple it is. I am confident in my strength, my vitality, and my energy. I am choosing foods that fuel my purpose. I am moving my body with gratitude. I am resting with intention. I am radiating health from the inside out. I am vibrant. I am strong. I am capable of physical feats that honor my potential. I am in love with the process of becoming my strongest self. I am consistent in my habits. I am a person who honors their commitments to their health above all else. Now speak your future into existence by saying this aloud. I am healthy. I am strong. I am disciplined with my body. My energy is limitless, and my health is my greatest wealth. Imagine a version of yourself 6 months from now. You are glowing. Your skin is clear, your muscles are toned, and your eyes are bright with life. See yourself waking up early, full of natural energy. You are moving with ease and grace. Visualize yourself finishing a workout and feeling a surge of pride. Feel the heartbeat in your chest, strong and rhythmic. This is the engine of your life. See yourself choosing nourishment over distraction. You look and feel incredible. Final statement. You have just completed a profound mental realignment. By participating, you have planted the seeds of unshakable confidence deep within your subconscious. Remember, the world does not give you what you want. It gives you what you are. As you move through your day, carry the energy of these affirmations with you. Walk with the posture of a winner, speak with the clarity of a leader, and act with the discipline of an achiever. This is your new standard. This is your new life. Thank you for allowing me to guide you through this transformation. If you felt the shift in your energy, then your journey has truly begun. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more daily motivational content. By joining our community, you are committing to a lifestyle of constant growth and excellence. Comment below with the phrase, "I am unshakable," to lock in this frequency. We upload new content daily to keep your mindset sharp and your spirit high. Go out and conquer your day. You have the confidence to do it.